Welcome to all my dear Bhaiya Bahan in English class today. Today we are going to start a new lesson that is Should Wizard Hit Mommy? Here wizard means magician, mommy means mummy, our ma you can say. Before starting the lesson, I would like to give you some introduction to the lesson. Here is a story about the worldview of a little child and the difficult moral question she raises during the story session with her father. Means a father every day tells a story to his child, and the story is full of moral values. The child asks difficult moral questions when her father tells her the story. The story revolves around Jack, who is a father of two kids. John, the short form of John is Joe, and Bobby. His wife Claire is carrying their third child. Jack had a habit of telling his daughter Jo a story every evening and on Saturday afternoon naps. Naps means sleep. This time, when he was telling her a story, she interrupts him and asks him questions. Whenever she feels that things that are being told are not right. So Jack now finds himself in a fix, in a trouble, and doesn't know how to resolve Joe's questions. Parents feel that children should do or think exactly what they are told. They should believe whatever they are told by their parents. But is this the right attitude? This moral is this moral question is raised by the story and left for the reader to decide what should be done. My dear, we all know when our parents tell us any story, we ask them several questions. Questions related to that chapter. Questions related to the story. And this is our habit. We should know something about author also. The author of this story is John Hoare Updike. He was born in March 18, 1932 and died in January 27, 2009. Was an American novelist, poet, short story writer, art critic and literary critic. One of only three writers to win the Pulitzer Prize for fiction more than once. Updike published more than 20 novels, more than a dozen short story collections, as well as poetry, art, and literary criticism and children's books during his career. So, John Updike is a very great poet of America and he belongs to modern age. He got as a writer Pulitzer Prize for fiction. Fiction means novel. More than once. And he published more than 20 novels, more than a dozen short story collections, as well as poetry, art, and literary criticism, and children's books during his career. I think today we should know the summary of this chapter, Should Wizard Hit Mommy? The meaning of this title is Should Wizard Hit Mommy means Wizard should hit mommy. क्या जादूगर मम्मी को मारता? क्या जादूगर को मम्मी को मारना चाहिए या मम्मी जादूगर को मारती? दिस इज द स्टोरी एंड द स्टोरी इज वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. See the summary of this story. The story starts with the daily routine that Jack had been following for 2 years with his daughter Jo. His daughter was 2 years old when the tradition started, and today she was 4 years old. The tradition was that Jack would tell Joe a story out of his mind every day in the evening before going to bed, and also on every Saturday afternoon during her nap time. Nap time means sleeping time. Now the issue was that it had been so long that he had been telling her stories that he did not have any good ideas for stories left with him. Even Joe didn't sleep during the story sessions anymore. So every day, when he used to tell her a story, the basic plot of the story used to be the same, revolving around an animal named Roger who used to change every day. Roger used to have a problem and he would approach the wise owl for help, who would send him to the wizard. The wizard would solve Roger's problem but ask for more pennies. Pennies means rupees. Pennies is the currency of America. Then Roger had and would also give him a solution to go bring the pennies from a specific place. Then Roger would go to that place, bring the pennies, and would happily go back and play with his friends. After playing happily with his friends, Roger would go back home before it got dark to wait for his father, who would be on his way back from Boston. His father lived in Boston. So every evening he came from Boston after finishing his work. Then Jack would describe what all Rogers and his family had for dinner and then end the story. On the specific Saturday afternoon nap, Jack asked Joe that about which creature did she want to hear a story, to which she replies, a skunk. So Jack started the story with Roger Skunk, who was very stinky animal. Here the writer is going to speak the story about an animal, a small animal of America, that is a skunk. It smells very much. It is a very stinky animal. Stinky means one which smells too much. None of his friends liked to play with him. It is quite natural. If you will smell too much, nobody will play with you. In the same way, when that skunk went to the jungle to play with all the animals fled from him due to foul smell from his body. One day, he went to the wise owl and shared his problem. The wise owl then told him to go visit the wizard. Then the skunk went to the wizard and shared his problem. The wizard then helped him to solve his problem and asked him how he wanted to smell. To this, Roger Skunk replied that he wanted to smell like roses did. With the wizard's magic, he started smelling like roses. Then he did not have enough pennies to pay to the wizard, so wizard told him to go to the magic well, turn around 3 times, and he would find 3 pennies there which he could fetch and give to the wizard. The skunk did exactly what was told and got the wizard his pennies. Later he went out and all the other animals gathered around him as he was smelling very good. But when he went home, his mother did not like the smell and asked who had made him smell like that. Roger Skunk told the whole story to his mom, and his mother said that she liked his smell earlier and he smelled the way a little skunk was supposed to smell. So then the skunk told his mom that the other animals ran away from him because of the foul smell, but his mom said that she didn't care. She took him right back to the wizard, and as soon as the wizard opened the door, she gave him one on blow his head with her umbrella, and the wizard changed the skunk's smell, and he smelled foul again. While going back, the skunk heard the train coming. His father was coming on the train. They had dinner together. When the skunk was about to sleep, his mother came to him and told him that she loved him the way he was and there was no need to change. The story ended there. Then Joe asked her father whether the animals ran away from the skunk after that, to which he replied, no. All of them had now got used to the way he smelled. Joe did not like the way Skunk's mother forced him and made him smell foul again. She wanted that her father should tell her another story the next day in which the wizard hits mommy back and refuses to change the skunk's smell back. The Jack told her that he would see, and the main point of the story was that the skunk loved his mother more than any other animals in the woods, and that mommy knew what was right for him. He then told her to sleep as her baby brother was also sleeping. He then closed the door. He then closed the door and went downstairs. His wife was painting the chair rail. He heard some footsteps above and then scolded Joe. The footsteps fainted. Then Claire asked him that it was a long story, and to that he replied, the poor kid. Then he watched his wife do the painting and working, but was very tired to help her. Also, he thought that their marriage was not in a good state and also that there was no solution to it. He also said that he didn't feel like talking to her nor touching her. In this way, we have got the summary of this lesson. What we have read in this summary, what we have got in this summary. In this summary, we have got that there was a small animal whose name was Skunk and a girl whose name was Joe. Every day for 2 years, her father, whose name was Jack, told her a story before sleeping. And every day he starts the story with the name of animal Roger. And after Roger, there is another name like Roger Fish, Roger Squirrel, Roger Chipmunk. Today he was going to speak about animal which name was Roger Skunk. Roger Skunk is a small animal of America. It smells too much. And the same story Jack told his daughter, but he changed the name of the animal after Roger. Roger was the common name for all animals. and he added some other names in Roger, like Roger Skunk, Roger Fish, Roger Squirrel, etc. Today he told the story of about a small animal of America that was Roger Skunk. It smells too much. And every story has same concept. What was the concept? In every story, Jack always told Roger Skunk when he felt any problem, he went to a wise owl who lived on a long tree. Roger went there to ask the owl to solve his problem. The wise owl suggests the Roger animal to go to the wizard, and when the animals go to the wizard, he demands some money. If that animal has no money, there was a well near his house that was a magic well. He told the animal to go near the magic well and give the 3 rounds of that well and demand the money. And after taking round the well, the animal got the money and he brought the money to the wizard. After getting money by the animal, wizard changed its smell, wizard changed its problem. Today, wizard changed the problem of Roger Skunk, giving him the smell of rose. My dear, on that day, Roger Skunk became very happy. He returned the jungle and all the animals came near him and started playing. But when he returned home, his mother became confused after getting the smell of rose. She asked, "Who is smelling like rose?" Roger Skunk told very fearfully that I am. Mother became very angry and she took an umbrella with her and went to the wizard immediately and gave a wizard on his head 2 umbrellas. She beats the wizard by her umbrella and told him, "Why did you change its smell? Please change its smell and bring his old smell again in his body." Wizard immediately touched his head with his magic wand and his smell had changed. Again the skunk started smelling like foul smell. Again all the animals started running away from him. But my dear, there is question. Mother changed his smell and mother hit the wizard. Here Joe asks question to her father. Papa, tell me, wizard changed the smell of skunk. Okay. It is not necessary that skunk should smell like rose. Well, yes. Jack told, okay, you are right. Then why did Mummy hit the wizard for changing its smell? My dear, the smell was the recognition of animals of his community. So, his mother didn't want to change his smell. Here, mother is right on her point. Joe is right on her point also. Joe wants, why not the child should live in a proper way? Why not a child should smell like roses? So, Papa, please change the title of the story. Here you don't mention that mommy should hit wizard. Here you mention wizard should hit mommy. So the title is should wizard hit mommy or mommy should hit wizard. यहाँ पर क्या होना चाहिए? जो चाहती है कि विजार्ड मारे मम्मी को, मम्मी विजार्ड को ना मारे. Joe thinks according to her childish thought, but mother thinks according to her mother's thought. So that here mother is also right and Joe is also right. So Joe wants the change the ending of the story. What does she want about the end? She wants that wizard should hit mommy. Mommy should not hit wizard. This is childish thought and mother's thought is different here. So my dear, today we have got the summary of this story. From next day we shall read it paragraph wise and then we shall learn more. Till then, thank you, have a nice day, and you will read this lesson by yourself also to see the sentence, to see the structure of sentence and see what happens with skunk and what Joe wants. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.